It's Thursday morning. Pre-market just opened. And this is IMNP. So this was our main play and our runner from yesterday. You can see it's looking weak this morning so far. Highest bid is at 211. Lowest seller is at 219. There, it just clicked down to 211. So that's really good for us. We're at $2.02. So once it breaks below this, we're going to be in the money. And yeah, you can see at the end of the day we had that big short squeeze, and then after market it ran up and topped out at 250. So it formed this head and shoulders chart pattern. So that's what people call this, head and shoulders, when there's a smaller spike then a larger spike. This is the head, this is the shoulder, and then usually that's bearish and it'll collapse after. But it looks like 264, unless something really strange happens, is going to be our high. And this is looking pretty good for us right now. I want to see it click below $2. See how it bounced off $2 yesterday? If this goes below $2, then it's probably over, because this was up on nothing. We already saw the balance sheet. We saw how financially unstable they are right now. There's no reason for this to happen. There's no news. This is just some sort of pump. Somehow the stars aligned. So it's looking good for us. We'll see how the morning plays out. But if this goes below 2, we should be good to go. We'll just let it fade off and take profits. But if it runs, I put in an order at 260 this morning. So if it runs and tests this all-time high, or yesterday's high, then I'll get a fill and I'll average up there. And then if it breaks that, I'll average up again at $3. But I mean, I'd be pretty shocked. This looks like a broken chart to me. You see that? I mean, that looks like a pre-market breakdown to me. But then again, when you have 10 million volume, or 8 million volume on a 9 million float, strange things can happen. So yeah, this is looking good so far this morning. All right, here we are. It's not even open yet, and we're up $1,500 on IMNP. Well, let's see what's up. It's dropping even more now. So IMNP. Come on. Let's buy to cover 4,000 at 170. Extended hours. Preview. Let's do it. So we just went through. We should have covered. And we're out. We just made $1,400. So that was a great trade. Look, it's crashing even more. So that's pretty awesome. That's what you want. Oh my Lord. That is brutal. That is awesome. So that just goes to show, if you manage your equity, you take small positions on the way up, you take shares when you can, you average up when you can, you do your research, you trust in your trade, you're confident in your strategy, you can bank. Just leave yourself equity cushions. Don't get crazy. Be conservative with your starting positions, and that way you can sleep at night and you can hold through the pain. If you can hold through it and you don't panic, or you don't take too big a position and force yourself to cover, then you can wait and you get the prize at the end. So that was pretty awesome.